Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video where we will be diving into the best 1 minute MACD scalping strategy. So if you are looking to make quick trades with high efficiency, then you are in the right place. Okay, scalping on the 1 minute chart is an exciting way to engage with the market. And when combined with the MACD, you can identify fast entry and exit points with precision. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement this strategy for your own trades. Okay. Now, understanding the MACD indicator is crucial. It's important. I'm going to be adding the MACD indicator to the chart right away. The moving average convergence divergence. Okay, so before we dive into the strategy itself, let us first talk about the MACD, or the moving average convergence divergence. Okay, the MACD is an essential tool for traders that helps us identify potential buy and sell signals. It consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. And it also has a histogram that shows the difference between these lines. Okay, so for the 1 minute scalping strategy, we will focus on the MACD line crossing over the signal line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, and the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it indicates a potential buy signal. And when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it indicates a potential sell signal. Okay, but there is more to it than just the cross. We need to understand the market context and how to use it in real time. Okay, now let's quickly talk about the setup. For this strategy, you want to use the 1 minute chart. This is a very fast-paced time frame, so be prepared to act quickly. In terms of indicators, we are focusing on the MACD. You will need to adjust the MACD settings to 12, 26, and 9, which are the standard parameters for most traders. Okay, these settings work best for capturing short-term price movements, which is what scalping is all about. So once your chart is set up, you'll be looking for the MACD to cross the signal line in either direction. But we are not just looking for any crossover. We need to make sure it is supported by price action and volume to confirm the validity of the signal. So how do you know when to enter and exit a trade using the best 1 minute MACD scalping strategy? Here is the rule of thumb. For a buy signal, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line and the histogram turns positive, look at the histogram bar here. When the histogram bar turns positive, it is time to consider entering a long position. You want to enter as soon as the cross happens, but be sure that price is moving in the direction of the trend. All right, price has to be moving in the direction of the trend. In this case, you can see we have a bullish trend, then we have a bullish crossover here, and the histogram bars turned green. So this is a good opportunity. All right, for a sell signal, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, right, and the histogram turns red, when it turns negative, that's a potential signal to enter a short position. Remember that timing is critical in scalping. Okay, so you need to be quick with your entries and exits. Once you enter a trade, you aim for small price movements, typically between 5 to 10 pips. All right, typically between 5 to 10 pips, and you are out. This is a scalping strategy, literally on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, or you can just decide to exit when the MACD starts to lose momentum. For example, you can see that around this resistance, price got rejected, and then the MACD crossover happened coincidentally. So this would have been a good place to enter a sell after you get your candlestick confirmation. All right, after getting your candlestick confirmation, you can enter a sell, set your stop loss above the swing high, then your take profits can be at the nearest support zone, the very nearest support zone, or you can just watch out for when the MACD starts losing momentum, then you exit your sell. All right, the reverse is the case for a buy. Once you get a bullish crossover with MACD, you get your green histogram bars, you get price action confirmation. You can see this rejection candle. So that been a good place to enter a buy trade. Your stop loss can be just below the nearest support. Your take profit can be at around the nearest resistance. Or watch out for when the histogram bars starts, when the MACD starts losing bullish momentum. When the histogram bars turn red, you just exit your buy trade immediately. Okay, scalping can be highly profitable, but it also comes with its risk. The best 1 minute MACD scalping strategy requires discipline, so always use a tight stop loss to protect yourself from unexpected market reversals. A stop loss of about 5 to 10 pips is a good place to start, but you can adjust based on the volatility of the market. All right. Another crucial part of scalping is not overtrading. It is easy to get caught up in the fast pace of the 1 minute chart, but you must stay disciplined and only take trades when the MACD gives a clear signal. All right. Do not chase every move. Instead, wait for the perfect setup and execute it swiftly. Remember, it is better to have a few high probability trades than to jump into many random trades. To increase your chances of success, it is better to enter trades that have a higher chance of playing out as you expect. And that is why I recommend trading only in the direction of the trend. Look for buy trades only in bullish trends and look for sell trades only in bearish trends. Get your MACD crossovers right, get the histogram momentum right, okay? Ensure that for buy trades, you have a bullish crossover and green histogram bars above the zero level. For sell trades, make sure you have a bearish crossover and red histogram bars below the zero level. Make sure you set your stop losses above the swing high for a sell, below the swing low for a buy. Your take profit target can be a fixed risk to reward ratio like 1:2 or thereabout. And you can also decide to use support or resistance zones, support for sell, resistance for buy. Okay, so there you have it, the best 1 minute MACD scalping strategy. It's a great way to engage with the market, especially if you are looking for fast trades with high precision. By using the MACD in combination with a 1 minute chart, you can catch quick price movements and improve your trading game. Okay, now do not forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more trading strategies like this one. Keep practicing and refining your skills with this strategy, and remember, consistency and discipline are key to becoming a successful scalper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.